coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we've got something from Taiwan. This is Little Couples with their Alishan Oolong tea dry noodle. And yeah, I guess this is from an area, it's spelled C-H-I-A-Y-I. That's Chai. I'm guessing that's how it's pronounced. And I guess it's really hard to cultivate this kind of tea. That's kind of what I gathered from some of their the coffee they sent, and mentioned meticulously harvested, which is fancy. And here is the dry noodle. I love dry noodles. I love this style, especially nice kind of scalloped edge when they're done. It's gonna go for 6 minutes. All right. So today, had a pretty good morning so far. Kids have been doing pretty good. Looking forward, hopefully, to taking a walk with them this afternoon to get the mail, take the trash out, stuff like that. But we just got another high temperature warning for tomorrow and the next day. I'm like, I was telling the checkout guy at the grocery store yesterday, he's like, how you doing? I'm like, I'm ready for summer to be done. He's like, you and me both, man. You and me both. It'd be nice for it to be over because it's just been a really warm summer. Although they're saying, people keep saying, oh, well, it gets this warm. We actually haven't had as many 90-degree days as we've had in the past, but it's just consistently warm. I mean, we had a day, what was that? I think it was Saturday morning. That was actually really nice. And then Sunday morning, it was 65 degrees, which isn't too bad at all. It's actually just right when there's a nice breeze and it's not 90% humidity. That was gross. It's like walking through the butterfly exhibit at the zoo, man. It's just like so humid and sticky. I wouldn't mind it as much, though, if I were in Taiwan, because it gets very humid there and very warm, compared to here at least. And but it's cool there. I like it there. It's fun. So yeah, definitely need to visit Taiwan again someday. I don't like the word someday. I just want to say, I'm just going to say soon. So here, check that out. Interesting. So there's a lot of this tea in this, apparently. I'm very curious. Is the burner still hot? Not so hot. Good. But yeah, I'm gonna do this one, and then I've got a mukbang to do. It's an interesting morning. However, I'm only doing 3 reviews a day. I've been doing 4 on average every day, and I've kind of depleted my supply of instant noodles, which is really a bummer, but I'm planning on going on hiatus and just doing top 10 lists for a little while, so I'm getting way ahead. I think this episode will be coming out maybe like September or just January 5th of 2023, and it is August 23rd of 2022 right now, so way ahead of the thing. It's gonna be weird, I swear. It's gonna be like Christmas time for us here, and you'll be seeing episodes that came out in or those episodes rather will come out in like June. You're like, why is there a Christmas tree in this video? This is all old stuff. This can't be new. No, it's new. It's just got published. I'm just way far ahead. I think, yeah, when I'm done today, I'll be up to review 190. I'll be 161 reviews ahead. Yeah, so it'll be pretty cool. And with the kids gone and with them both doing full days of school, I'll be doing a lot of work in front of the green screen. So look forward to that. A lot of top 10 lists, a lot of just like extra videos and I don't know. We'll see what happens. There's all sorts of stuff that people have asked for that I've just never had the time to do, and now I will. Yeah, should be interesting. Should be really good. And in that time, I can replenish my stockpile of instant noodles to review via subscription boxes and maybe stuff people send in, which I really appreciate, and varieties that I find out and about. So, yeah, it's just like I got to take a break from it because I just don't have much of anything left. So this week is kind of like close to the end. But it's the 23rd. It's a Tuesday, and it's a day for interesting, fascinating noodles. I'm guessing this, I don't know when the post for this will come out. Late January? That'd be my guess. Yeah. Crazy business, huh? Time keeps flying. The big news right now is that... Gosh, what is the big news right now? There's the whole thing with the FBI and Trump. There's, gas keeps going down in price. There's a big election. Oh, there's a big primary today. That's right, Florida. So I get a lot of email, that's conservative email. I like that because I think it's interesting. I'm not conservative. And honestly, I vote Democratic, but I don't like to call myself a Democrat. I'm more of an independent. It's how my mom and dad were. They kind of leaned independent. But yeah, I've gotten so many from Florida that it's not even funny. All these different people running for office. But I don't... It's a primary. It's not an actual election. Well, it's primary. So it'll be, when's that? November 4th? Should be. No, it'll be interesting. All right, let's drain this. Okay. So time to drain. The folks at Little Couples, in addition to sending this noodle, they sent me a bowl. So I'm going to be using it for this. God, it's getting hot in here. Very warm. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm running the laundry right now. I don't think so, though. I think it's just going to be a warm day here. Here is the liquid base. Let's bring you in so you can see. So this is a standard way of doing dry noodle. Oh, I got some on there. Look at that, it was steam. That's some oil. Let me wash my hands real quick. Ouch. Did I just cut my foot open? I hope not. No? Yes? No? No! Thankfully, no. I stepped on one of the wheels, the back of one of the wheels on my stool here. Wow, that really hurt. They're like rollerblade wheels. I got them special to put on this stool. Look at that. Nice color. But yeah, I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for cooler weather. Just constant. This, that, and the other thing. Do a little extra stir. And let's try this. The Alishan Oolong tea noodle. I think I've had Taiwanese varieties that include tea in them before. Wow, see, I like that. Let's give you a little snip right there. Lovely. All right, cheers. I'm definitely getting a taste of tea. Yeah, that's not bad. Very, very, like herbal. And a stronger kind of tea flavor than I would have expected. Well, as I guess I should have expected. It's tea. But definitely an interesting one. All right, let's get you up in here. I think the pets are making noise over there. Not the children, but the pets. They kind of get cranky sometimes. All right, so we've got some, I'm gonna add some chicken on here. And, chicken. Some scallion. Got a marinated egg. I started it marinating as soon as it was done earlier. I think it's had about almost 2 hours on it. I could be, yeah, I'm wrong about that. I think. I tried to make 2 eggs, but I found by using a copious amount of soy sauce, I can get a nice color to the egg in a short amount of time. But that's literally all I use is water and soy sauce. If I used all soy sauce, these things would be too dark, too quick. With that. And what else are we gonna do here? I think a little crushed red pepper wouldn't hurt. And a wee bit. That is an international measurement that I've invented. The wee bit. Just a wee bit of sesame seed. Maybe a wee bit more. They're being noisy out there. Not as noisy as earlier. Not their fault. They're bored. They're really excited to go back to school, that's for sure. All right. Good stuff from Taiwan. All right, thanks for watching, and thanks again to Little Couples for sending this over. The next one you're going to see, it's going to be a mukbang, ladies and gentlemen. This is a habanero lime, new variety of bulldog with a south of the border theme. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. So you go and have a good one. All right, bye-bye.